Today we're going to make some turquoise and azurite earrings. This is a ceramic bead with a little flower on it and some halite. We're going to be using head pins. We're also going to be using round nose pliers, flush cutters, and chain nose pliers, and possibly tweezer pliers. So let's get them to the side and we'll get started. I put a little seed bead on because my head pins, some of them bead, if they have a big hole, they'll go right through. I put the crystal, or azurite, that's azurite. And then turquoise. It's chalk turquoise, I think. But they made it from the turquoise that they've ground down and reconstituted. And all we're going to do is hold the bottom, all we're going to do is hold the bottom and find a little space above it and turn. And our bead broke. That happens. It's about the same shade. They have green and blue and different colors in them. We'll scoot that one back. And we'll try again. Hadn't had one of those break before. Put our beads on. Alright, hold your bottom. Leave a little gap at the top and twist. Go around. Twist it. That one I'm gonna have to hold. There's that one. You take your ear wire and you twist it. And these are surgical steel. I got them because people are not allergic to them. Got them years ago. I think I bought 100 of them at that time. Put the seed bead on. Put that one on. It's either azurite or Criscola. I think it's azurite. Got it on. That's why I have head pins laying around, because just in case I need another one, I don't have to go digging for them. Tried to leave what I was working on with out here, so just in case I need another one. So how's the weather where y'all are at? I got the ones I want over here. It's been hot here. I can't catch all of it there. Get the little ones. Twist it back, make sure it's shut, and there's our turquoise. Now let's work on our ceramic bead. They used to have these velour blankets that you could buy, and I've got a tray that a friend of mine's husband made. It has one in the bottom glued into it, and that would be nice to have one of them old blankets. I don't think they make them anymore. It was like velvet almost, and there goes the firework. I don't know if the camera picked that up or not. Fourth of July and New Year's, it sounds like a war going on outside. After I finish these, I might go sit on the front porch and see if I can see any fireworks. Just get as close as you can and cut it. They sound like they're behind us though, the fireworks. And if they are, we won't be able to see them. There's that one. And I've already strung up the other one. Go around. Loop it. Just wrap it around. See, this is one of those easy to wrap ones. That one a minute ago had to be still. That might be the one that I had to replace, so he might not even see that one, but boy, it did not want to bend. There they are. Now let's put them on our ear wires. And I've already twisted it open. I'm going to hook it on. Then we take it and twist it back. Make sure it's shut. I think this one's open too. Hook it on. There. Okay. They're not machine made, they're people made these, so they're going to be a little bit different on each one. And same with these. I want another firework. They sound like they're behind us. There we go. And y'all have a good rest of your day, rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you on the next one.